Hi, welcome to another video of Campers.eu. In this video we're going to talk about the new Volkswagen California Beach. The California Beach is available in three versions: California Beach, California Beach Tour and California Beach Camper. In this video we're going to discuss the plain simple Volkswagen California Beach, so the most basic one. So it's standing behind me, here we go. So here she is, the California Beach, the standard California Beach, in a very nice color called Florida Blue. And as you can tell, this is a plug-in hybrid. You can see the cable here from the side, charging the battery of the plug-in hybrid system. Plug-in hybrid is always equipped with 4Motion, so you have 4-wheel drive, which is quite nice. This vehicle has the black top, so the black roof and the black spoiler here on top, which gives it a bit more sporty look, which is quite nice. And this vehicle also has the top pack, so you have the fancy IQ headlights. Other than that, it's pretty basic. You always have the manual pop top on the California Beach, so you have a gas strut and a pedal instead of the electric system. This pop top roof works very nice. I've showed that in another video, but the hinges they've redesigned this system. It's very easy to connect, or to close and to open. So that's changed a lot. In the pop top you will have the bed, like we know and love. So this is 1.16 m in width, 2.4 m-ish in length, so quite long. And you have the discs underneath, so same as the California Ocean. Comfortable bed. Always the two sliding doors. So you can see a nice Mercedes over there through the sliding door. And here you see the main reason why we chose to order this vehicle, and it's been sold now. But you see 3 seats. So if you have the California Beach, then you can, or with the plug-in hybrid drivetrain, then you can have 3 seats. This is the only California Beach with plug-in hybrid that you can order as a 5-seater. If you have the Tour or the camper versions with a plug-in hybrid drivetrain, then you will have 4 seats. So 2 in the back and 2 up front. With the standard California Beach, the seats in the back do not turn into a bed. So this is just like a multivan. They slide forward. You can easily take them out, and you can recline them. You can do whatever you can do with the normal multivan, but they do not turn as standard into a bed. We have a kit for this, a special frame that you put in the back with a bed function, but that's not coming from Volkswagen. That's from another company. So we can make it into a bed if you would like to, but as standard from factory, it does not come with that. This middle seat, you can see the seat belt is in the seat, and on the other sides you can tell the seat belt is over there in the rear and over here on the sides. So these seats on the outer seats, you can or use it like so, or slide it forward until here and use these. This middle seat you can also turn around, so you can look backwards. That might be handy. Maybe you can have 2 seats on the same row, looking towards, facing to each other. That might be handy for some people. So it's a very flexible system, which is quite nice for a lot of people. And we get a lot of demand for 5-seaters. Up front, the seats up front, normally as standard, these do not swivel around, but it's an optional extra from factory. Of course, we ordered that because we think it's important in a camper van. And then you get the comfort seats as well. So you get the armrests, and you get an extra little drawer underneath here, but you have these more comfortable seats, and you can then swivel them around. It's an option. If you select that option, both seats will swivel around. And like I've said in the previous video, the good thing about the new California is that they also have height adjustments. In the T6.1 you could swivel them around, but there was no height adjustment. Now we've ordered the light pack for the rear. Standard, these lights are not in here. but it gives some extra lights here. And here in the back there's like a netting to put some stuff, maybe a small blanket or whatever. There are some 12-volt sockets over here, and a USB Type-C ports are there. But here in the top you only have the 12-volt socket, and there's no button for lights, and there is no USB socket here. So you have to have an adapter for your 12-volt socket to make that happen. But the vehicle comes with blinds for all windows. They are in the shape of all the windows. They're in the big package in the rear. This vehicle is ready for delivery, so there's already some stuff in here. But here you can say this package is for the blinds. So there's a small bag with all kinds of stuff, and they just fit in the windows. So you can make it dark. You can use that. Another difference is that you see it does not have the seats in the tailgate. That's only with the Tour, and with the camper versions they have those seats, and they have the bed function in the rear, so then they will also have the table in the rear. But this one does not have it. Like I said, we can offer you bed functions if needed. This one does have the it does have the tow bar, so there's a button. If you pull that, then you get the tow bar. There it is. Just pull it up. So that's optional extra. That's quite nice. So basically what you have is it's a Volkswagen Multivan with a California pop top. That's basically what it is. And you have 5 seats in a plug-in hybrid drivetrain. So if you have a family, 3 kids, then this is the perfect California for you. Actually, and if you want a plug-in hybrid drivetrain, of course, then this is the only option for you. We think it's a good solution. It's a flexible solution, and it's a really multifunctional vehicle. And with that, I hope you got a little bit wiser, and I hope to see you in the next one.